We proudly present a photo tour to Vietnam. It begins the 30th of August 2023. This packed 17-day tour is the most extensive photo tour in Vietnam you can have. It spans all the way from far north, basically from the border of China, all the way south to the Mekong Delta. So what can you expect from a tour like this? Well, first and foremost, this is a photo tour. This is led by two world-class travel photographers, which will make sure you know what you need to get world-class photos. How to use the light, how to read the conditions in order to be able to react in time. You will get world-class photos regardless of your present skill level. We make sure of that. This tour is both for beginner and advanced photographers. We do photograph everything. Street photography, markets, we do react to unexpected things, and often we just make things happen. We have models which we pose in beautiful historical environment, everything from beautiful girls in Ao Dai traditional Vietnam dresses to fishermen that are throwing nets again and again until we get a perfect shot. We shoot landscape, historic templates and cities, just anything that provokes our interest and more. We do what it takes to get the photo. We drive, we fly, we take ferries, we rent small boats. We sometimes have to wait patiently for something to happen. Sometimes that's the best way to go. We just react to whatever comes up. This is going to be a trip of a lifetime. I hear it all the time from participants that this has been the best experience they ever had. Now, that does not mean it's going to be an easy trip. We wake up early and we shoot all day until darkness, and sometimes longer than that. And the amount of photo you get from this trip is crazy. Vietnamese are known for their great cuisine, which we will present to you, both like in general Vietnam cuisine and dishes from every region we will visit. Now, you can always opt to be on the safe side with just dishes you select, but you can also be a little more, adventurous with the selection. There's a lot of strange things you can try.
It's still alive. Can you hear it? Here, bougie, bougie, bougie. This is fucking disgusting. But doesn't taste bad at all.
These are small groups, maximum of 10 people. Everything is included during the trip. Food, lodging, models, everything is included. Ferries, domestic flights, except international flight. Flight to and from Vietnam is not included. And drinks. Drinks are not included. Why? Well, with the flight, we have people flying in from all over the world. It just would be too complicated to include the flight in the price. Also with people sometimes wanting to travel first class, some people want to come earlier or stay later. With taking care of your own flight, you have option to do it as you wish. With drinks, that's kind of obvious. We do although have water on the buses, and that's included. For more info and itinerary, visit the website enroute.is under Vietnam. There you can see the itinerary day by day, all the info you need. There's also a link for registration. Also, if you need, you can contact me directly. My email is here, ole@enroute.is. I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Other than that, I just hope I see you in August in Vietnam.